And here are the crypto top headlines. Cardano leads peers in developer activities. Next, tokenized U.S. Treasuries arrive on Coinbase's base with backed RWA token issuance. Also, XRPL achieves historic milestone with closure of 83 millionth ledger. Plus, crypto VC funding falls to 3-year lows as market rout continues. And Taiwan aims for crypto law by November. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Cardano leads peers in developer activities. The Cardano blockchain protocol has once again shown its prowess in relation to developmental activity in the Web3 world. According to an insight shared by crypto analytics provider Sentiment, Cardano is currently ranked as the most prominent blockchain network in terms of developmental activities as measured by GitHub commits in the past month. Per the Sentiment data, Cardano is currently above other competing chains like Polkadot and Kusama, both of which occupy the second position. Other ranked protocols include Hedera, Vegan Protocol, Chainlink, Status, Definity, Cosmos, and Ethereum. Cardano has always been fronted as a protocol with a vibrant developer base. While some critics always flag the Cardano claims, the GitHub commits are proof of how robust and decentralized its developer base is. Other highly acclaimed protocols, including XRPL and Shibarium, were not featured in the latest ranking, a showcase of how vibrant those ranked. Polkadot, for instance, reported its actual GitHub commits for the third quarter that ended September 30th as one of the highlights of its growth for the period. As reported by U.Today, the actual Polkadot GitHub commits came in at 49,000, complementing the current Sentiment data. The growth translation on Cardano. The Cardano protocol has been showcasing the works of its developers as always embodied in key updates that are often shared weekly. From tokens deployed to works on Mithril, Hydra Head, and Project Catalyst, the efforts of the developers resident on the Cardano protocol remain visible. Despite these active developer activities, there has not been much visible growth in the price of ADA. Besides its price being down by 0.97% in the past 24 hours, ADA has been facing a somewhat downward trend in different metrics, including its being toppled by Solana in the Grayscale Smart Contract Fund. Our next top headline: tokenized U.S. Treasuries arrive on Coinbase's base with backed RWA token issuance. Switzerland-based tokenization firm Bakkt Finance has expanded its tokenized short-term U.S. Treasury offering to crypto exchange Coinbase's Base blockchain, the firm said Friday in a press release. The issuance marks the first real-world asset token issued on the Base network, which also hosts the popular social tokenization platform Friend.tech. Issued under the Swiss Tokenized Securities Law, Bakkt's BLB01 crypto token is a blockchain-based version of BlackRock's short-term U.S. Treasuries exchange-traded fund that offers a 5.25% annual yield to investors. The offering is available to qualified investors and licensed distributors who passed the firm's Know Your Customer and anti-money checks. U.S. investors and entities are restricted from buying the token. Tokenization of real-world assets, or RWAs, an umbrella term for wrapping traditional financial instruments such as government bonds, private equity, or credit in a token form and placing them on blockchains has become one of the hottest trends in crypto this year. The market for tokenized assets could mushroom to $16 trillion by 2030, according to a Boston Consulting Group report. The U.S. Treasuries are considered a gateway for tokenization efforts, as many digital asset investors, fund managers, crypto firms, and decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, seek these products for their high yield and low risk status. The tokenized treasuries market has grown sixfold this year to $666 million, with asset management firm Franklin Templeton being the biggest player according to RWA.xyz data. Bakkt explained the expansion that Base offers a low-cost, developer-friendly way to build on-chain, adding that while its code is interoperable with Ethereum, transaction fees are 10 times cheaper. Our next top headline, XRP Ledger. XRPL achieves historic milestone with closure of 83 millionth ledger. In a dazzling display of rapid growth, the XRP Ledger, or XRPL, has just achieved a momentous feat by closing its 83 millionth ledger, according to an official post from XRP Scan. This remarkable achievement underscores XRPL's meteoric rise in a remarkably short period. And here's the tweet by XRP Scan. XRP Ledger successfully closed 83 millionth ledger a few moments ago. XRPL, the vibrant smart contract hub within the Ripple and broader XRP ecosystem, has been on an unstoppable trajectory of evolution. It has been setting new benchmarks for adoption, continual upgrades, and the emergence of exciting potential applications on its ledger. The XRPL has firmly established itself as a primary conduit for XRP enthusiasts to showcase their unwavering support for the coin. It has strategically introduced non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and decentralized finance, or DeFi, services to deliver tangible value to its ever-growing community. XRPL's game-changing clawback feature. While XRP holders can already access a wide array of offerings on the XRPL, the platform remains committed to elevating every aspect of its protocol. A significant development is the ongoing voting process for the crucial clawback feature. This initiative seeks to address the needs of token issuers who bear substantial legal responsibilities within the ecosystem. Much like Elon Musk's fervent advocacy for Dogecoin and other Shiba Inu-themed meme coins, Ripple CTO David Schwartz is a staunch proponent of the XRPL and its vast potential. As Ripple Labs strategically pivots towards fostering a well-balanced ecosystem, it emphasizes how the XRP Ledger can facilitate a new era of enhanced decentralized operations across various sectors. XRP is trading at 0.5231 with a trading volume of 982,929,942 over the last 24 hours. This signifies a 2.0% decrease in price within the day while observing a 4.40% surge over the past week. The XRPL community has closed its 83 millionth ledger and is now aiming for the next big milestone of 85 million. This constant growth of XRP is expected to be even stronger as its usability and demand continue to increase over time. In the world of cryptocurrencies, XRPL is undoubtedly a rising star, and its achievements continue to captivate the crypto community, hinting at an even brighter future on the horizon. Our next top headline, Crypto VC funding falls to 3-year lows as market rout continues. Venture capitalists are doing fewer deals and the average deal size is getting much smaller, according to researchers. Startup funding in the crypto industry has fallen back to Q4 2020 levels amid the ongoing bear market. According to an October 5th report by blockchain analytics firm Messari, a total of $2.1 billion was raised by crypto startups across 297 deals in Q3 of 2023, down 36% from the previous quarter and nearly 70% from Q3 of 2022. Seed funding accounted for the largest fundraising category, with $488 million raised over 98 deals. Trends in deal counts show a significant shift away from later stage projects and into early stage projects over the last 3 years, researchers wrote. Less than 1.4% of deals involved companies at the Series B round or later. Meanwhile, strategic financing rounds rose sharply from 0.2% of total deal share in Q4 2021 to over 22% as of Q3 2023. The highest private equity round during the quarter was a $200 million investment into United Arab Emirates-based Islamic coin from family office Alpha Blue Ocean's ABO Digital, Messari stated. Harsh market conditions are forcing projects to raise short-term bridge rounds or ultimately get acquired by larger projects. Despite regulatory uncertainty, 54% of all active venture capital investors were from the United States, more than the rest of the world combined. Investors' appetites have also shifted from user-facing applications to blockchain infrastructure, with the latter consistently outperforming the former in funding for the past 3 months. However, this trend may not last for long as more investors are beginning to realize that without successful user-facing crypto applications, infrastructure investments are less likely to generate their desired returns, researchers wrote. Our next top headline, Taiwan aims for crypto law by November. Lawmakers in Taiwan are aiming to create a first draft of a special law about offshore exchanges by the end of November 2023. Lawmakers in Taiwan are reportedly aiming to push out a first draft of a special law by the end of November 2023, according to a report from the bloc. Yang Cheng-Ching, an official in the Legislative Yuan of Taiwan, said in an interview that he intends for the first draft to be available for reading by Parliament by the end of November or sooner, and that such an act is necessary to regulate crypto-related businesses. This comes as lawmakers in Taiwan have growing concerns over activity in offshore markets and seek to avoid regulatory arbitrage. Ching says crypto assets differ from traditional financial products and need to be governed via a special law. On October 6th, he held a public hearing in the Taiwanese parliament, including digital asset service providers, academics, and others in the industry, that discussed the draft proposal. This follows guidelines released on September 26th by Taiwan's Financial Supervisory Commission that moved to improve cryptocurrency investor protections. The guidelines included rules blanketing the industry, including separating assets in exchanges, treasury, from those of the customer and mechanisms for reviewing the listing and delisting of digital assets. Additionally, the rules state that foreign virtual asset service providers cannot provide services in Taiwan without the necessary approvals from local regulatory authorities. On the same day, major cryptocurrency exchanges operating in Taiwan formed an association to advance industry interests. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.